So everyone, we will start off by gathering the hair together, divide it into two portions, and then twist one section over the other as such. Make sure that you are firmly twisting it as such. Twist it individually as well to make it all the more tightly fastened. Once you reach the bottom of it, roll it up into a bun. Adjust it, add a rubber band around it, or you may also add some bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. We have used a multiple prong decorative pin on top of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, pull it through the top right section, gather all of the hair together on the right side, and then begin to make a braid out of it. Once you make a braid out of it, tie a rubber band to the bottom, fold it over, roll it up, and then pin this braid onto the left side and then around the hair as well. Use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place all around. Next, start off by tying a low ponytail to the hair. Use this rubber band in order to do so. When you are on the last loop over, make a small bun out of it. After you've made your bun, adjust it through the side, make a braid at the bottom, roll this braid upwards and around the bun that you've created, and then tie it up in place using a bobby pin or a rubber band itself. Make sure that there are no loose pieces to it and wrap it around as much as possible. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself through the section. Divide the hair into two portions, then begin to braid both of these portions. Make sure that these braids are firmly put. Now, after you have done both the braids, roll them upwards, pull them through the top sections that are present, and now afterwards, pull it through till all of the sections are done with, tie a rubber band at the base, and then add decorative clips on top of it. Tie a ponytail to the hair, lift it up, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now add a rubber band to it, let the hair go, and then once again, fasten the bottom of it with a rubber band, roll it upwards. On top of it all, add a decorative pin to it. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, roll the hair in on itself, and now loosen the sides of the section using your fingers. Now, once you have done this on either side, you may move on to the top as well and loosen the sections from the scalp. Tie a ponytail at the back, make it into a bun, and wrap the rest of the hair around it. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side, add a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Next, take a section of the hair from the right side, add a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Join both these sections together at the back, add another rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll the hair in on itself, and now pull it through the top. After you pull it through the top section, join them together at the back once again. After you have joined it together at the back, tie a rubber band to it, take two more sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself and pull it through the top section. Now make two braids at the bottom, fold it over and then pin it up on either side respectively. Next, tie a low ponytail to the hair, roll this ponytail in on itself, and then afterwards tighten it once you are done. Lift this upwards and then use this big clip in order to fasten it in its place. Next, start off by gathering all of the hair together and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. Add the rubber band at the bottom of it, roll this upwards and then pin it up in place. Now use a large clip in order to fasten it in its place as such. Thank you for watching.